This is Rebecca with RebeccasRoadmap.com, and I am setting up my new planner. And I'm using the 8.5 by 11 Big Happy Planner, the Wellness Edition. But I'm going to be putting some business things in the back, and one of those things that I'm going to be putting in is a monthly task tracker. I saw this layout that somebody had done in like a ring bound planner. It was a really old video from several years ago, and I cannot find the person who made this layout originally. I really liked it and it's stuck in my head. I will go back and try and find, because I think I subscribed to her channel. So I'm going to go back and try and find her again, and if so, I will link her original video down below. But if not, I'm just going from memory and just kind of winging this. Now, I did look at the Happy Planner Teacher Edition, the classroom checklist, but it's got a bunch more boxes than I need. So and it's 2 pages, and it was like $9. I know I can use a coupon, but I'm thinking that I'm going to try this for the month of July and see if I like it. And if I don't, then I can plan B it and do something else for the next month. So basically what this was is she had all of her tasks listed here for the month. So if you've got more than this, then just make another page. And then she had numbers 1 through 31 here for each day of the month. Now hers was printed, so she just, printed it out every month, so it had 31 days. If you don't have 31 days, then I guess you could adjust it if you're hand drawing it, which is what I'm going to be doing this month. And then if I like this, then I can always make one and print it out. And I should say this paper is from Office Depot. It's the Toll paper .grid that I really like. It's nice quality and it fits. It's the same size as the Big Happy Planner. So I'm just simply going to, I counted off 31 squares here. So I'm just going to draw a line here and draw a line at the top and have all of the days numbered here, and then I can write my tasks here. And what she did, I really wish I had this girl's name so I can give her credit for this. But so she had like her task here, and then she checked it off on which day she did it. And then she highlighted the rest of the days so she would know that that task was done. It was a very visual thing, which I think will help me. So let me get this drawn out and I will show you what it looks like. And then once it's working and in my planner, that I can show you how I'm using it, because I don't actually have any tasks right now. I've got an extra sheet of paper just in case I mess this one up, because that's possible. Alright, so I'll probably speed through this and hopefully try not to talk, because I usually talk through my videos and then I don't speed through them. So I don't think this is rocket science, because it's .grid. I'm using a Pentel Sharpie, not Pentel, it's a Sharpie pen, and just my ruler to draw this. Okay, so that's finally all the lines. And so now you can go through here and either number by hand 1 through 31, or I'm going to try and see, I don't know if the little Happy Planner square number stickers from the Memory Keeper set of stickers, I don't know if those will work in there. I'm thinking that might. And then I want to just write month of there, and then number 1 through 31. So then you'll list your tasks here, and then you can simply check off what day of the month you did them, and then highlight the other days so you'll know when it got done and that it did get done. So I'm going to go play with my stickers for a bit and see what that looks like, see if those will fit in there. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, this is the Happy Memory Keeping Dates and Holidays, and I think these little stickers will fit. In the squares. Let's get my tweezers out and see. Maybe a little bit big. I'm thinking that I may set this up as a template and then just make copies of it every month until I can actually create one. This will at least get me started. So let me get the rest of these little stickers in here. You zoom in a little bit so you can see. Let's try that with my other hand that's not holding the tweezer. So you can see that fits right nicely in that little box. Oh, that's weird. Okay, they printed 25 twice. Oh, this whole page is like that. Okay, well, that's not gonna work. Okay, let's, I guess, start 26 up here. Right, Stephanie, there's a problem. I'm sure somebody else has noticed it, but we'll just go. Yeah, I numbered it right. The right amount of squares. And I could put like this quote up here or something. It says the days are long, the years are short. So let me zoom back out a little bit. If I want to, I can wipe this out and then actually maybe draw that a little nicer, but we'll see. But this will be kind of my template for my monthly task tracker. So I will put my month there. I've got all 31 days on there, regardless of whether or not you've got 31 days in the current month, which in July we do. I will list my task here. So if my task is to create a booklet, I'll put that there. Then the days I work on it, say if I work on that the 9th through the 16th, I will draw a line there and check off that I finished it on the 16th. And then I'll highlight the rest of the days so I know that that row is done. I don't have to look at that row again. I just need to look at the other rows. So in theory, that's how this is going to work. This will be my first time using it. And I don't have my new big happy planner set up yet, so I can't put this in there. But when I do, I will show you guys how I'm actually using it and have it filled out for the month. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe bell and YouTube will let you know when I post new videos. As always, I thank you for watching, as I know you have other things you could be doing, so I appreciate you spending this time with me. And I will see you on the next video. Bye!